Metamask on your browser, cite remix.ethereum.org. Also, I want to tell you about the methods of withdrawing Flash USDT to your wallet, which I use myself. We need to make a deposit with our Flash USDT on Stake, play with this money on game named Dice, and then just withdraw. Stake gonna send us usual USDT to our decentralized wallet. So now I'm going to demonstrate the method of crafting a Flash USDT. Let's get started. In the remix, go to the Deploy and Run Transactions tab, and in the Environment tab, select Connect Wallet or connect our wallet at once. We see the balance of the wallet, so we have done everything correctly. Expand this tab and write in token name USDT and in token symbol ERC20. Press Transact. In the max fee field, we round the number to the nearest integer upwards. The first transaction is the most expensive and costs $10 to $30 depending on the network load at the moment. We see that our smart contract has been created. Now we need to top it up. Go to our wallet and send ethers to the address of our smart contract. Let me remind you that the minimum top-up amount is 0.12 Ethereum. The commission for this and subsequent transactions will be minimal. After topping up, we return to Remix, and as soon as our balance is displayed, click Start. Don't forget to specify max fee, confirm the transaction. With this action, we have started to craft our tokens. After confirming the transaction, we click Withdrawal to withdraw the tokens to our wallet. Repeat all the actions, specify max fee, and confirm the transaction. Now we wait a couple of minutes, and after successful withdrawal of tokens, we see 70,000 Flash USDT ERC20 on our Metamask wallet. And so we can see that the tokens have arrived in our wallet. So how to withdraw tokens? We need to go to the stake, then make a deposit with the tokens that we just received. After the deposit is credited to us, we need to enter the game name Dice. To withdraw our tokens from the stake, we will need to play for our entire balance. In order not to lose anything, we will need to set almost a 100% chance of winning. Then we bet 10,000 tokens in 7 auto stakes because for 7 bets, we will win back our entire balance. Let's begin. The bet won 7 times. Just in case, I will make one more try. Now we can see that we have played for the whole balance and also raised it a bit. Now we need to withdraw our tokens to a decentralized wallet. For example, I will use Metamask again. Tokens were successfully withdrawn. I opened the wallet. And yes, everything is successful. Thank you very much for watching.